Think about the most creative person you know. What makes them so? For centuries, we have mistakenly attributed creativity to factors outside of our control. And you may hear it referred to as a talent, a gift, or some sort of an unexplicable genius that some people possess. But in reality, creativity is a skill, like any other skills. It can be learned by practice, and creativity is simply the ability to generate new, fresh ideas and new ways to solve old problems. A modern creative genius named Steve Jobs said in a 1996 Word interview, creativity is just connecting things. When you ask a creative person how they did how they did something, they feel a little guilty because they didn't really do it. They just saw something and it seemed obvious to them after a while. That's because they were able to connect things and create original work and synthesize new things. Original creators typically have three characteristics in common. They have a unique point of view on the world, and they are willing to fail, and they are confident they can achieve an ambitious goal, and surely they are willing to fail. Creativity is the product of solitude. When we are alone, disconnected from the external noise, we reconnect with an inner world that's often overlooked. In solitude, the mind is free, free from judgment, free from comparison, and free from the pressure to perform. So we can reach our full potential. True creativity doesn't come from brainstorms, the meetings, or the noises of the world demanding innovation. It often blooms quietly, softly, in the moment we spend alone. Once think about the most creative people, how do they work? They love solitude. Ask different questions. Because when you ask different questions, you get different answers. And then you can think different on the base of unique answers. And after that, your mind will open to new ideas and you will see the world from a new perspective and different perspective. And as we discussed, love solitude, don't affect that. Learn from the people who know more than you, who have more expensive than you. And when you wake up, you are in the state of non-thinking and more creative. First of all, when you wake up, pay attention to the task and pay attention to the task. What I want to achieve today, what I want to create today. 99% people when wake up, they pick their mobile and stuck in social media, and they lose their creative potential. Instead of this, write down on a physical paper what you want to achieve, what you want to create, what you want to do different. And this will make you different from other and you will reach your full potential. Listen more, see things beneath the surface. Never ignore knowledgeable things because if you constantly ignore knowledgeable things, you will lose your potential. You are creative. You are unique in the world. You have a unique potential. You just have to find it.